So Sniffer app, what are these apps? So basically, uh, this is category of apps to analyze traffic and data on your device. So for example, you have a bunch of apps and you just want to make sure that, you just want to analyze all these network requests on your phone and make sure that they are secure. And there are a bunch of apps that are doing that because, some of these apps might be doing things you didn't even sign up to do, as I understand. So they can just, you can see that during network calls or something really weird is happening. So you can, for example, here is this app, Storm Sniffer, packet capture. Capture HTTPS traffic from iOS devices using local VPN. You can view HTTPS requests and responses in text form and support HTML, CSS format in preview, rewrite, modify HTTPS requests in real time, perform arbitrary HTTP requests with cron support, use local remote JavaScript for more scalability. And Sniffer app creates a local VPN on your device and forwarding all traffic to a local man-in-the-middle server as long as the VPN is active. Storm Sniffer can capture all HTTPS traffic or Wi-Fi or cellular data. And that's just what you have. So let's just install it. And then you can see there is a new version. And then this is just, you can see how you can this is mostly like a developer tool. Like I guess it's similar to Postman, so HTTP capture, you can allow. And then, yeah, unfortunately, you see annual, monthly. So you can't do that. So you need to have pro subscription, unfortunately. Why is that? And then you can see, all right, so now you can at least see the HTTP capture. So this is a free feature in here. And now you can see history running. And then, for example, so let's say I just want to open some app. So I just want to open like a Twitter app. And then you can see all of this. So now you can see all of the APIs which were captured. So for example, Apple Weather, obviously Twitter APIs because I just opened Twitter. And yeah, so that's just what you have. That's, for example, the idea. So I guess this is pretty cool app because it is free feature, but then you need to upgrade to have additional features. There is lifetime, $26 lifetime for, some smaller features. You can then share it to friends. So yeah, that's the app, Sniffer app. And try it out. So it's called Storm Sniffer. Try it out.